In various emergency rescue operations, night patrols, and emergency rescues. How to achieve efficient night lighting, enabling effective and rapid task completion. The Circular's FL10 Airborne Lighting Matrix Light Wired version effectively solves this problem by using high-quality LED light sources and high transmittance optical lenses. The product is compact, lightweight, and highly bright, with a maximum brightness of 6000 lm, an illumination angle of 60, and an irradiation distance of up to 150 meters. It has a long battery life, can perform 0-100 stepless dimming, allowing for free brightness adjustment and strong visual penetration, which make drones' night operations more prominent. The Airborne Lighting Matrix lamp provides a more efficient experience for night rescue and disaster relief, emergency search and rescue, night inspections, police enforcement, and other scenarios involving drones.